In this video, I'll show you how to create a booklet in Microsoft Word, or how to print a booklet in Word. Let's get started. When the page opens, click the Layout tab. Then click the small Launch button at the bottom right corner of the Page Setup section. In the Page Setup window, change the page orientation to Landscape. Under the Multiple Pages section, select Bookfold. From the Sheets option, select All. Remember, the total number of pages must always be divisible by 4, otherwise Word will insert blank pages to complete the layout. Click OK to apply the settings to your document, and your booklet layout is ready. Now go to File and navigate to Print. Use the arrows to scroll through your pages and preview the booklet. Take note of this. When printing a booklet, Word usually shows print one-sided by default. If your printer supports duplex printing, you can select Print on both sides, flip pages on short edge. If your printer does not support duplex printing, choose Manually Print on both sides and flip the pages yourself when Word prompts you. Finally, deselect Print Markup because markup often interferes with booklet formatting. That's it. Your booklet is ready to print. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.